Hello everyone, welcome to the very first video of the series Selenium for Beginners. My name is Yogesh and I'm going to present you the first tutorial. So today we will learn what is Selenium, components of Selenium, features of Selenium, browsers supported by Selenium, operating systems and languages supported by Selenium. So now the very basic question, what is Selenium? Selenium is an open source automation testing suite for web applications across different browsers and operating systems. In simple words, Selenium provides all necessary tools to interact with browsers, and with this interaction, we can automate actions like click, select, input, drag and drop, etc. So, how this automation happens? So, Selenium is a tool which helps you to interact with the browser, and then with the help of that interaction, we create a test script to perform the actions. And with the combination of this interaction and the test script, we can automate the actions. For example, if we want to search for flights from Delhi to New York, then we in manual we used to enter the from and to input data, and then we enter the departure date. So now these all actions like selecting the from and to cities, selecting the departure date and the traveler count, all these actions will be performed by the Selenium script, and we can automatically click on the search button. So this is basically Selenium automation. Now, to automate any manual actions on the web browser, the three basic steps we have to follow. The very first step is we have to find out the elements for the particular input fields or any locators on the site, like the drop downs, input fields, radio buttons. All these things are elements. So we have to find out the locators for these particular elements, and then we have to prepare the script to perform the actions for the respective elements, and then at the end we have to run the test suite. So combinedly this will result in a automation of the web browsers or the web actions. So now what are the components of Selenium? So basically Selenium has four major components. The very first and initial component was Selenium IDE, second one is Selenium RC, third one is Selenium WebDriver, and the fourth one is Selenium Grid. So Selenium IDE, it has the feature of record and playback. Selenium RC was developed for JavaScript execution, but now there is no support available for Selenium RC. And the Selenium WebDriver is used for the APIs, and now the very commonly used component of Selenium, that is Selenium WebDriver. And the last one is Selenium Grid, which is used for parallel and distributed executions. Now, what are the features of Selenium? Selenium is very flexible tool. It supports multiple browsers, it supports multiple operating systems, and also it supports multiple programming languages. Now, here is the list of browsers supported by Selenium. So it supports Safari, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Edge, Firefox, and Opera. These are the major browsers. Again, there are some minor browsers which are supported by Selenium. And then these are the operating systems supported by Selenium: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Oracle Solaris. So all major four operating systems are supported by Selenium. And now if you want to talk about the languages, then Selenium supports .NET, Python, C Sharp, PHP, Ruby, Java, and Perl. Now if you are beginner to this whole topic, Selenium and automation testing, then I suggest you must visit the URL www.selenium.dev. There you will find the documentation tab. A very nice, neat and tidy documentation regarding the Selenium and automation testing is provided over there. It will take hardly 5 minutes to read out this documentation or the blog, and it will give you information, very important information about the Selenium automation. So that's it about the first video. So in this video we learn about Selenium, what is Selenium, components of Selenium, features, browsers, operating systems, and languages supported by Selenium. So that's it about the video number 1, and we'll keep you updated about the new videos. Thank you.